On the road to make a change, nothing will be the same.
If you're looking for a fast-paced, people-focused industry where you can turn your skills into a career, study with MIT in a supportive learning environment.
I came to MIT because I felt that they are more one-on-one. They have the facilities to support you.
So you'd learn something in class, but then you actually go and put it in practice in a safe environment.
If you're passionate about what you want to do, MIT is actually one of the best places to go because everyone is so friendly and they're willing to help you.
You often find that we end up mentoring them over and above what they expect. We also make sure that we mentor them through the early years of their career.
Once you do the course, so you can easily get the job.
We've got a really good reputation in the industry, so people love us. Quite often I actually see where they end up. They start here with us as apprentice or student if you want, and years later they've got actually really successful businesses running, so it works.
I can teach skill on all sort of range, but I can't teach attitude. Punctual, hardworking, teamworking, timing, that's all important for us.
I'm quite lucky with my relationship with the lecturers at MIT that they will put forward people that they think will suit Sedema. I like to think that they are handpicked for us.
Get the skills that are in demand, both here and around the world.
It was actually for me really cool to see that what I'd learned here in New Zealand could actually translate overseas.
It's a wide field, we can work anywhere. If we want to travel, we want to work, this is the best field.
Going to study to be a chef at MIT made me extremely focused. Having my formal qualifications meant that I went on to work in some amazing restaurants. I've cooked for the Sultan of Brunei, I've cooked for kings and queens, and I wouldn't have had that had I not had my foundation set for me.
Even me now, after 15 years and 16 years ahead soon, and I'm still learning every day.
This could lead into a lot of things. You travel the world, you can learn different cuisines.
We're on a journey together. It's not about being a teacher and a student, it's basically being about peer to peer.
The knowledge that I've learned here, I can take it with me anywhere.
MIT, where the best makers are made.